That's just the mid-muffler lead?
Yeah, no res, yeah.
Not bad.
Not bad, yeah.
The mid-mufflers?
Just the mid-mufflers,
Yeah?
Me too.
Jeez.
Twinning.
Twinning.
Just the muffler.
Just the muffler lead? What exhaust is that, bro?
Mid-mufflers.
Mid-mufflers? Yeah?
Yeah, and no masters.
Oh, 44. Okay. Hey, that's not bad for 44s, man.
That's it, bro.
That's crazy, man.
I love the 44 series.
Yeah, that's crazy.
Oh my god.
Hey, bro, you missed the spot.
Thanks, bro.
What exhaust you got in there?
I just took out the mid-muffler.
Oh, yeah?
That's it.
Straight, you gonna straight pipe it?
Yep. It's going on next week. It's
Yeah.
not loud enough yet.
It's not loud enough.
My other car's a V6 and I have that thing straight piped, so.
Nice. What year is this baby? What
Sorry?
year is this baby?
05.
Daytona. Oh man, that's so good. Gosh, look at that. You got any exhaust on this thing?
Just the muffler.
Just the muffler lead? We can still hang it, I'm just saying. Ow, that fucking rang my ears on that motherfucker. Holy jeez. cruising.
I'm in mine.
Oh yeah.
That was awesome. Thanks, bro.
No worries. What kind of exhaust you got, bro?
Just mid-muffler and no res.
That's just the mid-muffler lead?
Yeah, no res, yeah.
Not bad.
Not bad, yeah.
That is loud.
That's aggressive. What year is this?
16.
16?
Yeah.
That's tight. Holy. What else you got done to this thing, man?
H&R springs.
H&R, yeah, you dropped it?
Yeah, it's on lowering springs and
Yeah.
coarse intake.
That is a nice, that's a nice drop on it.
Stuff like that.
Yeah.
Nothing crazy yet, but
How
I gotta,
aggressive is the drop?
2 inch.
2 inch?
Yeah.
Yeah. That's crazy. Do you chew the insides of your tires after the drop?
No.
No, you don't? Okay.
I just have a small spacer on the back.
Oh, okay.
5mm spacer I think on the back, so it actually doesn't rub.
Yeah. What'd you get done by Muscle Mouse?
Oh, I've been here quite a few times just because I had my car wrapped before.
Yeah.
I've had him clean it, wash it, polish it,
Nice.
stuff like that.
He is the man when it comes
Yeah.
to that. Where'd you get this bad boy? That's sick.
That's from Ventus.
Yeah.
This is from Dodge Customs. And this is from Ventus as well. Skirts are Ventus.
Everything Ventus, eh? You just did the mid-mufflers?
Just the mid-mufflers,
Yeah?
Me too.
Jeez.
Twinning.
Twinning.
Can you do a startup really quick? I want to hear the difference between yours and mine.
Do it up.
Don't laugh.
Not laughing. It's good.
It's alright for a girl.
Yeah.
Yeah, this is a lot better. What is yours, a 6.1?
No, 5.7.
Really?
Yeah. I don't know why it sounds so loud.
Yeah, why does yours sound so good? The Daytona. That's totally why.
Legendary.
Totally why.
Yeah, so it's just lowered. I got
Oh yeah, what kind of lowering kit did you get?
H&R.
H&R?
Yeah.
Yeah.
And then mid-muffler delete. I got the sprint booster, so the auto commander kind of thing. And then, yeah, that's really it. A bunch of interior stuff. I bought
Yeah, it's all red in there. Is it red or orange in there?
Yeah, a little red pinstriping, and then you put some carbon. It's fake carbon. but
Yeah, that's
it looks good.
whatever.
Yeah,
Oh, it's good.
coming along. I'm gonna get some 5-inch tips in, and then I want to do the 6.4 manifold,
Yeah.
cam,
Yep.
and then down the road supercharger.
Yeah. Yeah.
We'll see. We'll see.
It's the journey, man.
Yeah.
Oh man.
Yeah, for sure. There's the warranty on it right now. So next year
Yeah,
will probably be
right.
the Diablo tuner.
Oh, dude, that was the problem with me. Like, my warranty is void as.
Yeah, well, that's just it. I enjoy it a little bit right now.